Good morning and welcome to the end of the week and our primary celebration assembly. On Monday we were talking about the good things that have happened as a result of this lockdown, and your teachers and teaching assistants all shared one good thing. Now, as happened last week, you guys have been amazing at sending all your fantastic videos and photos, which makes my job here really easy, because all I need to do is get out of the way and let you enjoy a great many very good things about lockdown.
Hey, here is my one good thing from lockdown. A group of family and friends we know did our own version of Eurovision Song Contest, and we called it Quarantine Vision since the real Eurovision had been cancelled because of the coronavirus. And this is a snippet of my first entry.
What's good at being home is because I get to play with Timmy. My one good thing is being with my brothers.
The thing I like most about this time is more baking.
And then eating it too. In the evening, we like exercise listening. Hi everybody, I'm thankful for all of my teachers sending me the wonderful work. My one good thing is playing with my sister and finding snails in the garden. This is Willow. And this is Lenny. I'm grateful for that we haven't had to have our food rationed and there's plenty still to go around.
One great thing about being back in school is we get more understanding of our learning and examples. What's good about being back in school is we get more education and we get prepared for Year 7.
And my favourite thing about lockdown has been spending time with my family and especially my baby brother because I absolutely love him.
The best thing in lockdown is reading all of my books.
Hello everybody. The best thing about lockdown is spending time with my family. I can ride bikes out my stabilizing. Hello everybody. One good thing would be spending time with my family in lockdown.
One good thing I've enjoyed about lockdown is spending time with my family and playing Fortnite.
One thing about lockdown, fun for me, is spending time with my family during and playing the Xbox.
One good thing about lockdown is spending time with my family and my dog Pepper. Bye.
Hi John, it's Samuel. My one good thing during lockdown is mastering the skills on Times Tables Rockstars. Let's have a good look. But that was a good one.
My cat. I learned to take care of him over lockdown, and as you can see, this jar is his favourite thing to play with. Hello. Everyone say hi.
All the pain, and in the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me away.
Absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much for those fabulous videos and clips. Now, before I share with you some of the fantastic learning that's been happening this week across our primary school, just a quick reminder that on Monday we're having a special day to celebrate National Picnic Week, encouraging you, if you can, to pack up a picnic, spend some time preparing it, and go out and enjoy a picnic and some games, either outside, at the park, social distancing of course, in the garden, or if you need to, in your front room. The main thing is enjoy it, share photos and videos with us, and we can make sure that they get shared on your classrooms, on Tapestry, and through this assembly next Friday.